Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I want to show you how to install and download HP app on your Android phone. And also, I'm going to show you how to install HP Smart app on your computer. So what you need to do is go to Play Store, App Store. This is Android phone. Select Play Store, select search, then type HP app. HP app. Select on HP app. Then this is the app. 827K reviews, 100 million plus downloads. Select install. You can use this app to connect HP printer. So the app is getting ready. 100%. So 172 MB is what you require. Now it's installing. So this app is what you need to connect your HP DeskJet, any HP model printer. Just need to download HP app, and the app is free. Then select open. So this is HP app. Then select, it's not compulsory. You can also select don't send notification. Then you wait for the app. And from this, you can sign in, create account. If you are connecting your printer for the first time, then you select plus. So once you install the app, allow notification. It is not compulsory. Then you select plus. Then it will show you set up a new printer or choose an available printer. If you already connected the printer to your network and want to add it, choose an available printer. But if you are setting the printer up for the first time, then select set up a new printer. Then once you select set up a new printer, how do you want to connect this printer? Then you select Wi-Fi network or Ethernet connection. If you select Wi-Fi network, then you select continue. Ask you to get the printer ready, plug the printer to the power, make sure you switch the printer on, connect your mobile device to a Wi-Fi network, turn on location and Bluetooth on your mobile phone, and allow access when prompted. The HP app requires these permissions to find and set up your printer. Your location is not being sent to HP. Then you select continue. Allow HP to find and connect and determine the relative position of nearby device. Then select allow. Your location, select OK. Select using this app. Turn Bluetooth on. Then turn Bluetooth on. HP is asking to turn Bluetooth on. Then select allow. And once the Bluetooth is turned on, it will start to search for available printer. If you have your printer next to your mobile phone and put the printer in a wireless mode, the printer will highlight. Then you select the printer and put the Wi-Fi password and follow the instruction to connect the printer with your mobile phone. This is how to install HP app on your Android. Now I want to show you how to install on your computer or laptop. So go to your laptop, Windows Start. Then go to Microsoft Store. Select Microsoft Store. Go on top and type HP Smart app. On your computer, you need to search for HP Smart app on your computer. But if you are installing it on your mobile phone, you need to search for HP app. So select install. This is HP Smart app. Select install. And it's getting ready. Then select open. Select yes. When you are using this app, HP collects some required functionality data. So you select accept all or decline. So it's up to you. So I'm going to select decline. And once you've done that, it will show you set up a new printer or sign in, or you can skip. If you want to set up a new printer, then you select set up a new printer, make sure the printer is switched on and also in a wireless mode. Then select set up a new printer. It will start to search for available printer, and also now it's asking for location. Select continue. Allow location, select yes to give access to the location. And once you give access to the location, it will start to search for available printer. Currently, I don't have any HP printer right here, but you need to search for the printer. And once you find the printer, you need to select on that printer for you to connect the printer to Wi-Fi network. You select on the printer, it will ask you to put password. Because I don't have any printer at the moment, so no printer is found, you should be able to see the printer for you to connect it. This is how to install HP Smart app on your computer. Thank you very much indeed.